If you try to put the small piece through the small opening, it will definitely fit inside. But if you try to put the large piece inside the frame through this opening, it won't fit. This is a Crypto puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The puzzle was designed and made by Yu Osaka from Japan. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit both parts inside the frame. The Crypto puzzle is available at puzzlemaster.ca. Click the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles. This puzzle has a frame and 2 parts, and if you take a closer look, 2 parts are not exactly the same. They have different shape, but they also have different height. Like this part is a little bit shorter, this one is a little bit taller. And there are 2 openings here. This one is smaller, this one is larger. If you try to put the small piece through the small opening, it will definitely fit inside. But if you try to put the large piece inside the frame through this opening, it won't fit. But if you try to put it through the large opening, it fits nicely. But here is another twist. When you try to put the small piece through the small opening, you won't be able to put 2 parts inside. Since this puzzle has another very interesting trick, you have to start solving it by putting this part inside through the large opening. But what you have to do is to put it in, then all the way down, and stick it out through the small opening. The part is quite tall in this part, but you can fit it like that to the small opening. Next, you grab this piece and you put it inside through the large opening. And now you just move the parts inside the frame until you will be able to put both of them inside. And that's how you solve the Crypto puzzle. If you like the Crypto puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Yu Osaka, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.